Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. It's been a while since we've made a proper video. I thought I'd do one on the latest build, the Betty, and give you all the breakdown. We've got some course footage, full course run on the new section, struggles, interesting. But anyway, right, build breakdown. B17, Betty, Tamiya, PS, hold on, that was one, and the purple I used was that one, right? Did the cab only, right, that's the paint. Cool, any questions, feel free, drop them in the comments. Back to silver, flaking it, right. Body magnet mounted. Okay, we have Endura XHX pins with stock foams in all round. Brass wheels with the brass rings inside. Cheap Amazon servo we're testing. You can see the results in a minute. You probably already know what they're like. The Muse mullet setup with the over/underdrive gear, which comes supplied with the axles. That's installed. So we've got a slight bit of overdrive or underdrive, depending on how you look at it. Next Racing 45mm shocks. Can't remember if I said that. Probably did. Memory's like a fish. Magnet mounted body. Right, what you're looking at here is the Punishment RC Punisher V2 cbolt chassis. So we've got cbolt links, the ones that come with the kit, front and rear, apart from, as you can see, the front uppers, which are ramp crab brass for the C10. Endura Purple Viper, WP Mini 24. This is the battery we was running. Goes on this side. Just fits in nicely with the body when we put the body on. Body holds it in place. Yeah. See, but alright, to trim down the drive shaft at the front. C10 drive shaft front, but I had to cut it slightly. So that's that. Plastic skid and sliders that come with the kit. Oversized receiver, just because it fits and we've got space, why not? That's what we're working with. Mofo bulletproof transmission with the 0.3 or the mod 3 gearing. Can't think of anything else. Right, body on, fits nice and snug. All I had to do is fold down the sliders slightly, a little bit. And yeah, that's that. Pretty simple. Actually got to run it today, so we've got some good footage. Hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, guys, smash the like, and I'll see you on the next one. Servo needs upgrading. This one is definitely not gonna do it. Almost had it then. Not easy. Might need to fully reposition. Saved it. Servo does work well when it wants to. It just has its moments when it's right at the, I suppose, highest of loads. Which, yeah, makes sense. You will get it. Sorry about that. Camera all over the place. Oh my god, go on, go, up, up. time. Need to get the load off the front, which I don't know if we're going to be able to do. There we go. Are we going to fall off? Maybe. Come on, baby. Can't get that difficult on the other side. There we go. Lovely. Oh, he says spoke too soon. Don't get stuck now. Dang it, wasn't paying attention and I fucked up the line. Wanted to show you guys this. Pivot point. But I still had my finger on the trigger. No, it fluffed it. Backwards it is. New lines, new lines. Suppose that's it for now. Overall, I'm happy with it. Good little rig. Happy crawling, people. Smash that like. Until next time.